Court officer, sir. Court officer.
Live streaming ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್.
कर दिया भाई कुछ
Number 1, Mohammed Taib.
I appear for the petitioner's counsel, my lord. In this, the term of the committee is over. Therefore, petition may be dismissed as infructuous, leaving open the question of validity.
All right. Yes, Mr. AGA.
In most of the cases, Lord, this become infructuous because of the term of the members have.
We will leave the question of validity of the provisions open.
Please.
And since the term of the committee has been over, let the matter be dismissed as infructuous.
Yes.
Take up. Third, General Counsel for the writ petition has been filed seeking following relief. General Counsel for the petitioner submits that the term of the committee has been over, and as such, the writ petition has become infructuous. However, the question of validity of the provisions under challenge may be left open to be considered at some other stage, in some other case. The writ petition is learned AGA appearing for respondent has no objection. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. The question of validity of the provisions under challenge, provisions of the which act?
Karnataka Cooperative Societies Act.
Karnataka Cooperative Societies Act and remain is left open to be considered in some other case.
All these matters, there are no seconds.
This is all same.
Second set matter. Second set is not.
Second set is not required when matters are dismissed as infractuous.
Number 2,
Now,
In-
Mr.
Appear for the petition, my lord. This writ petition also become infructuous because, my lord, the term
All
is
right.
already,
All right,
similar order may be passed, my lord.
Yes.
we will dismiss all the petitions, same order.
Yes.
Now, if anybody, if anyone, any lawyer has any objection to this order, then they may just point out to the court officer.
Now, my lord, I will just mention, my lord, 43, 46, 47
Yes,
and serial number 71.
Hmm.
43, 46, 47 and serial number 71 survive for
Yes.
consideration. We will file second set.
all right.
Lord, in my case,
Yes.
my lord, 45.3, my lord.
Just a minute, just let one by one.
Please, please, my lord, please.
Let the file, take out file 46.
43, 46, 47, 71.
43. You said 43.
Yes, my lord.
43. All right.
Pertaining to banking business, provisions of section 12, 5 and 6 amendment of bylaw is challenged, my lord. It survives consideration.
The second set.
Write down, Lord Counsel for the petitioner. Grace for is allowed. A week's time to file the second set of writ petition. And give a date in February. 40,
Same
40.
order 46.
46, same order.
Even in serial number 45 also, my lords, may I request?
47, same order.
46, 43, 46, 47.
Same order. 71. Same order. In this, in addition, your lordship may kindly continue the interim order. Interim order was granted up to the next date of hearing.
71, write down, in case interim order is operative, the same shall continue till next date of listing.
59, my lord. Lord, 59, my lord, same order. Now the interim order has to be continued, madam. Now the filing of non-filing of English translation, madam, the 2 weeks time may be granted. Very long, big volumes of papers are there, madam. I have to fill a translation copy, madam.
Take out the file of 59.
This is also 59, madam. This is also under section 12 and subsection 5 of the Amendment Act. But I'm challenging it. Same, not senior stated, not same order, not has to pass. But interim order has to be extended.
Whether the term of the committee has not expired.
No, it's not term, this is only to challenge the virus of section 12, subclass 5 and 6 of the Act, amended Act. Senior Court Jacob as part of as mentioned, same it is also the same line of matter.
Consequential relief. Validity challenge.
I validity challenge section 12 of section 5 and 6. Second set and translation.
So, third respondent, you say
Validity of section 12, 5 and 6, I am challenging.
for 5.
Same Lord, Jacob senior Jacob has already submitted. Same matter.
How you will have to say how you are agreed by this provision, how it is ultra virus.
But I have not agreed, but I have challenged the blood. Why is that section? Declared that the provisions of section 5 and 6 of section 12 of the Karnataka Code Act amended at 35 of 2014. I have challenged it.
May I make an intervention, my lord, just for the purpose of clarity, my lord?
Yes.
Section
Yes.
12, 5 and 6 provides for amendment of bylaw by the registrar after it has become under a fundamental right under 19C. Unilateral amendment by the registrar, the power to amend the bylaw by the registrar is challenged in some of these petitions which survive for consideration. We are relying on Damayanti case of 1970, where it is said you cannot induct the member or change the constitution once it is fundamental right. Of course, my lord, whether it is acceptable or not is another thing, but that is the
Yes, yes.
question that is involved.
That is challengeable.
Yes. Actually, initially they had deleted 12, 5 and 6 after the constitution amendment, but again they inserted it.
Order hurting them. See, Mr. Patil.
Please, my lord.
See, there could be an amendment. Unless and until that the amendment has hurt you in any manner, there must be a
Yes, my lord.
consequential order.
In all our cases, registrar issued an order saying, in view of 12.5, I direct you to amend. Otherwise, this shall remain amended as you are not complied.
All right.
It is for that reason we have come. Under 12.5, he can issue a direction.
That order is not under challenge.
That the 12.5 notice that you amend, otherwise I will amend it, is the cause of action for challenging.
But that order has to be challenged, no?
That in this matter, I have challenged, my lord. That
Where
is,
it is challenged?
that is player number 2, my lord.
Oh, you have not challenged.
Written order, sense of what's the improved order dated. Action A. All right. Yes, sir. This he has
I have
challenged.
challenged it, my lord.
Yes, yes, sir.
You file the translation copy and the second copy.
Yes, my lord. I'll file it. I'll file it. My lord, 3 weeks may be granted, my lord. 3 weeks time may be granted, my lord.
You granted 1 week.
Blood, the translation, blood, is so much of blood, the papers are there, blood. I want at least 2 weeks.
All right. It is listed in February. You will get the time. You do it in the meantime.
Interim order has to be, interim order has to be
Instead of
extended.
1 week, saying 2 weeks.
Interim
same
order
order.
has to be extended.
Interim order finish shall continue till next date of listing.
Serial number 54, my lords.
Lords, item number 45. Lords. Similarly, my lords, 12.5. Again, in that matter, my lords, may I request my lords 2 weeks accommodation.
45.
Please, my lords.
Lord, 45, see.
My lord, serial number 42 as well, my lords.
Annexure B, my lords, is the impugned endorsement, my lords, that has been challenged. Issued by my lords, the registrar regarding directing us to amend, my lords, the bylaws.
Lecture.
Annexure B, my lords, at page number 48.
Got it. This order only. The last order.
Lord, in the connected petitions as well, my lords, I appear in 45.1.
45.1.
Yes, my lord, similar. It was connected, my lord, earlier along with 45.
5.1 also.
Serial number 54, my lords.
Lords, in all these matters, there are interim orders, my lord, that may kindly be extended. Lords.
Interim order, continue.
Grateful.
44, my lords. 44 is an independent order. 44 to survive challenges to the bifurcation of a society into two societies.
Which case you are talking about?
Serial number 44, my lords.
44.
2 weeks to file translated copies, my lord. There are voluminous translated copies.
It has also not become infectious.
No, it has not become infectious. Challenges to the bifurcation of a society into two societies.
44.
Serial number 54, my lords.
Fine. To file. And what is the
Galaxy A8, you are disturbing the court proceedings. Please mute.
It's 44, my lords.
Same. 44, 2 weeks.
Grateful.
Serial
Lord,
number 54, my lords.
45.3, my lord.
45.3.
45.3, my lord.
Same. 45.3 also you. 45.3 also same order.
Lord, and the serial number 69, my lord.
In 45.2, my lords, similar order.
45, we have done it. 45, 45.1, 45.2, 45.3 all.
Please.
Serial number 54, my lords.
69, my lord. Serial number 69.
54, my lords.
Just a minute.
54, my lords.
69 we have taken up. 69.
Sorry, my lords.
Yes, in 69, what you have to say?
Yes, my lord. Service, my lord. Section 18B has been challenged. Not. Therefore, my lord, I require 2 weeks time to file my translation copy, my lord.
All right, same order. 69.
Interim order has to be continued, my lord.
Interim order continue.
Please, ma.
Serial number 54, my lord. Serial number 54.
Serial number
51. 54, my lords.
54.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
I will need to file a second set of petition.
This rate petition survives, you say?
Yes, my lord.
54 take out.
And if it's a 2 weeks time, my lord.
The second set likha hai na, you have written second set as well as the translated translation.
Yes, it's a consequential order.
Same order.
Yes.
Lord, serial number 42.1, my lords.
.1, yes, what do you want?
My lord, the petition still survives, my lord. We've challenged 16, clause 4, my lords. Section 16.
Section 27. 27.
Yes, sir.
Section 27, subsection 1. 63.2. 27.4. Okay, you are saying 16. Take out the file.
Yeah, yes, my lords. I'm having the file, my lords. .42.1, my lords.
42.1, yes. 3992.
Pleased, my lords.
It is not 16, it is 27.
Only provisions are questioned.
And no other
No
relief.
consequential.
How the writ petition is maintainable?
My lords, and your courts, my lords.
Hmm? Yes.
There is no cause of action, Lord, in this case.
You have challenged only the provision. There is no cause of action.
There are no annexures also, my Lord, except the bylaws. So,
Yes. Switch off कर दिया उन्होंने. लिखा that restitution only provision is having no consequential order.
That's
right.
Madam Archita.
It is not maintainable.
correct.
yes.
Petitioner has challenged various of
My lords,
yes.
my lords, there was some network issue, my lords. Apologies, my lords.
Your writ is not maintainable. You have not challenged any consequential order. Only provisions have been challenged without there being any challenge to any consequential order.
My lords, the bylaws, my lords, are of the society, my lords, are my lords, may kindly grant me a short accommodation, my lords. Senior is not in station, my lords. 2 days accommodation, my lords.
We will leave this to be leave this challenge to provision open. But in the manner in which the writ petition has been filed is not maintainable.
My lords, may kindly pass the order in 2 days, my lords. A short accommodation may be granted, my lords. Senior is not in station.
Sorry, it is a special bench. It has been constituted especially for these cases. It cannot be adjourned like this. Therefore, we will leave this challenge to the provision open.
Please.
You may challenge it again along with the consequential order.
Please, my lord.
Yes. Petitioner has challenged the virus of section so and so in clause A. However, there is no challenge to any order which is meeting petitioner with any civil consequences. Therefore, this writ petition is disposed of, keeping open the question of law, keeping open the challenge to the provisions of law challenged in this writ petition. In future,
in case any consequential
yes,
order,
in the event petitioner suffers
any cause of action,
if petitioner were to get any fresh cause of action, any cause of action, all contentions are kept open.
Your Lordship, serial number 51.
Yes.
I have challenged the order passed by your KAT and also the provisions of 98 N, E and F, Your Lordship. This survives for consideration. I may be granted some time to file second set and as well.
The order dated of the tribunal and these actions.
पंच का नहीं है appeal order.
Secondly, virus separately.
Then a counsel for the petitioners informs that the writ petition survives, he may be permitted to file the second set of writ petition along with translated copy of the documents. Adjourned. The 2 weeks time is granted to counsel for the petitioner to file the second copy and the translated copy of documents.
Much obliged.
Give a date.
Serial number 12, my lord. 12-113, my lord. 12-113. Serial
12
number
and
12.
Yes.
2 weeks time may be granted, please, my lord. The election matter, my lord. I will file memo for withdrawal of the memo. The board is already expired.
Fine.
They become infructuous, my lord.
Has become infructuous.
No
How
need.
it survive?
12-113, my lord.
Yes, 12 and 13. Kindly inform how it survives.
Administrative.
It
has become infructuous.
He wants to file memo for withdrawal, my lord. It's not required. It can be disposed of.
It does not survive.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I have to file memo to the director, but however.
No, we don't need any memo. We will dismiss it as it is.
Oh, please, my lord. Please, my lord.
Yes.
Serial
Learned advocate for 1 minute. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that this petition is rendered infructuous. He undertakes to send a memo by electronic mode. If once received, the same be kept in record. Petition is accordingly dismissed as having become infructuous. 13 also same order.
Same order.
My lord, serial number 18, 19, 20, my lord. My lord, the petitioners are not interested to continue the above petition, my lord.
All right. You are the counsel for petitioner.
Please, my lord. Petitioner, my lord. 18, 19, 20,
What is
my
your
lord.
name? S.V. Prakash.
Please, my lord, I appear for
S.V.
S.V.
Prakash petitioner makes a statement at the bar that that petitioner does not want to press this petition anymore. It may be dismissed as not pressed. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as not pressed.
My lord, and 30 and
18,
58,
19,
my lord.
20.
18, 19, 20, and my lord, 30, 58, my lord. Serial number 30, 58, my lord.
30.
30, my lord.
Also, same order and 58.
58, my lord. 58, my lord.
All right. 58. That is all.
Much obliged, my lord.
Change the date. 1st February I have given. So 1 week, 2 weeks will not be over.
2 weeks.
3rd February. Almost.
Sure.